Hello, guys. Welcome to the fifth episode of this series, Programming with Solidity for Absolute Beginners. In this episode, we are going to look at the Remix um, IDE, which is an integrated development environment. So, it's a very powerful tool that will aid us to write our smart contract. And to access it, all you need is to go to Google and search remix. Then you click on the first link like this. Okay, so you have it this way. So it's a browser IDE kind. There's no need for you to download and install whatever. So I'll walk you through the features. So over here, this is a get started template, probably for the first time. So we can click here to start coding. Then we can explore other existing frameworks that is already there. So, for example, if you want to start with ERC20, once you click on it, a template will be provided. Then you can continue from there. You can also explore the ERC721, which is used for NFTs, Uniswap, or multi-sig, any other one that you want to do. So, if you want to start a new file or a new workspace, right, you can click on here. You have a fresh new workspace. If you have an existing one that you want to open, you can also open from here through your local file system. Then, if you want to also open guest repo, you can do so from here, or you can clone from a GitHub repo to you. You can do that here. Now you can also connect to your local file system. There's no harm. Now they have these features for learning purposes and also featured in plugins. Right. Good. Now at this side we can have various types of workspace. Now when you click on this one, we have the default here. This is the one that we are going to use. Now you can create new file, then create a new folder. Then you can also open file from your local file system. You can also upload a folder. Then import files from the IPSF. Then also you can also import using an HTTPS, which is basically a secure link. Then you can also connect to your local file system using Remix D. Then also you can also connect to GitHub repo. Then we can do. So all these codes or this all these folders are um, always given when you start a new workspace, right? Now over here you can have the basic search, maybe based on extension or whatever that you want to search, right? Then we have the Solidity compiler. So once you write your contract and you want to run it, first of all you have to compile and run it, right, before you can see the results. Now this is very essential. The compiler version, right? Always choose the latest, right? Always choose the higher or the latest one. So it's growing rapidly. Solidity is growing rapidly. Every here and then there's new update. Right? You can click on auto compile. You can hide warnings. That one depends on you. Then also the deploy and the transaction. Now the environment that we use the landing environment. Okay, it's not here there, but we can still maintain the first one here. We have a lot of environment. You can use injected MetaMask. Remember we spoke about MetaMask, which is externally owned account. So we can create our MetaMask, then we can connect it to Remix. Then we can use main network, wallet connect, uh, hard hat, foundry, or Ginach or whatever. We can use all those stuff. Now, one good thing is that the Remix platform gives you 10 up to 10, if not more or less, uh, accounts, okay, addresses with a fake 100% ether, 100 ether on it. You cannot use this in real transaction, but for testing purposes. Then estimated gas, right? Remember our last episode we spoke about gas, then how to calculate it. So you can calculate it in this your estimate. You can add it in a way or gigaway or it. So way is the least followed by the gigaway, right? Then you can put your addresses. Now, whenever we deploy a transaction, we will find it here. We can open it and view it, and also be listed here also. Now, one thing that I forgot about this section is that this side is actually our terminal. So we will see most of the logs of each transaction at this particular section. Then you can also connect or initialize your GitHub clone or login. Then you can be working from your repository. Then this is a learning path where you can learn more about it. So this one is a plugin manager. We will install a lot of plugins that will aid us to write better smart contract. And this is the general setting section. So this is the remix, an online IDE for writing smart contract. So thank you very much for your time for this section. In our next episode, we are going to write our first smart contract. So stay tuned and see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and